Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel, topic of defense technology. News is US Army's Hawkeye platoon leads drone innovation with 3D printed technology. Following the retirement of the RQ-7B Shadow platform in April 2024, Hawkeye platoon of the 173rd Airborne Brigade seized the moment to pioneer new tactics with drone technology. Based in Headquarters and Headquarters Troop, 1st Squadron, 91st Cavalry Regiment, the platoon now leads efforts to integrate small unmanned aerial systems into tactical operation. With brigade-level support, the unit acquired 4 PDWC-100 drones and developed a fleet of custom-built first-person view (FPV) drones using commercial parts and 3D printed components. This shift marks a significant step in decentralized drone innovation, allowing soldiers to design, build and fly mission-ready drones in-house. "I flew the FPV first-person view, which is a first-person view aircraft," explained U.S. Army Staff Sergeant Andy Ortiz, a master trainer and drone pilot. "The reason why it could increase the lethality of the platoon, or the Army in general, is because it's super cheap to build, and you can 3D print what you want on the aircraft. If it breaks, we fix it in-house." Ortiz highlighted the affordability and speed of the process, noting that a complete FPV drone system costs around $400 to $500 and can be assembled in just a few hours. "Even a beginner can build it in 4 hours," he said. "It's hard to fly at first, but once you learn the simulator and get good, you can speed up the kill chain. Instead of calling for fire support, someone in your platoon could take out the target with a drone carrying C4. In addition to flying drones, Hawkeye platoon operates a mobile lab where soldiers fabricate parts, test simulated explosive payloads, and maintain drones in field conditions. This forward tech shop enables rapid adaptation and continuous improvement based on real-time battlefield needs. U.S. Army Staff Sergeant Nathaniel Daniels, platoon sergeant, described the broader capabilities of the PDWC-100 platform. "Today, we saw the PDWC-100 mission sets, able to drop speedballs or any medical supplies to a main or forward aid station. If the mission is beyond 2 or 3 kilometers, we can upload the mission, and the drone will complete it autonomously and return. With a flight range of up to 10 kilometers and 74 minutes of endurance, the PDWC-100 provides key logistical and reconnaissance support in difficult or contested terrain. In contrast, FPV drones, while requiring line-of-sight operation, are favored for their low cost, rapid deployment, and strike capabilities in close-range engagements. An infantry platoon should be stacked up with FPV first-person view drones," Ortiz stated. "They're cheap, easy to build, and can close the kill chain fast when you attach simulated munitions. This hands-on approach ensures operational flexibility and empowers small units to respond independently in dynamic combat scenarios." The unit's training model, built on a train-the-trainer framework, enables certified non-commissioned officers to pass on drone skills across the brigade. Daniels confirmed that initial training is provided by the manufacturer, after which NCOs like those in Hawkeye platoon lead internal instruction. This initiative reflects the Army's broader shift towards small, uncrewed aerial systems, SUAS, and decentralized battlefield technology. Hawkeye platoon embodies this evolution, transitioning from traditional drone operators to innovative developers and instructors. Their capabilities were demonstrated during Agile Spirit 25, a U.S. Army Europe and Africa-led multinational exercise in Georgia. The event provided a live operational setting for testing new technologies, validating mission sets, and advancing unit-level innovation. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.